Hi everyone, admissions and PR team of SCMHRD. I'd like to extend a hearty welcome to all of you all to the grand finale of the much awaited SCMHRD Zeal 3.0.
Speaking about SCMHRD, our college, SCMHRD is a premier institution owning world-class leaders and entrepreneurs. Established in 1993, this college has a legacy of over 27 years with a vast alumni base spread across various industries and sectors. It is the first B school under Symbiosis umbrella and one amongst the 14 B schools in India to have been accorded the prestigious AACSP accreditation.
Moving on, SCMHRD's MBA program is one of the most prestigious programs in India. It offers MBA in 3 programs: MBA Core, MBA in Business Analytics, and MBA in Infrastructure and Development Management. Now, MBA Core includes 4 main specializations, which is Human Resources, Marketing, Finance, and Operations. SCMHRD Zeal 3.0, in the first round itself, we saw an overwhelming response of over 1200 registrations. Around 160 were shortlisted for the case study competition, out of which only top 10 national finalists were selected for the case presentation in front of our esteemed jury.
Hello everyone, good evening.
Hi everyone, I'm currently pursuing finance at SCMHRD.
So Zeal is really close to my heart as last year, as you know, that Yash and I was there as a participant.
And I believe that this competition was an enriching experience as it gives you an opportunity to explore your learning capabilities.
So I believe Zeal will give you friends, resources and learnings that would be useful in your SNAP preparation.
I now have the honor of introducing today's dignitaries for the event, our esteemed jury. The first member of today's jury is Professor Sunit Joshi.
Our second member at the jury, Dr. K. Rajgopal. Moving on to our third member, we have Gurpreet Sir, the founder and director of Learn for Exam. Before we move ahead, I would want our judges to say something to the students.
Okay, all I'll say is that it's a wonderful initiative. Delighted to be part of it, and I think it's going to be a great experience for all 10 of you, hopefully, and for us as well. And it will give you the right, perhaps, grounding to appear to do very well in SNAP also. So we'll be looking forward to seeing some of you in the institute next year. So.
Okay, it's a pleasure to again be part of this case study competition to judge this event. Normally, every year we conduct a lot of events for the aspiring students. It's in a way giving exposure to the students, not only about the institute, about the management as a discipline, and plus there is a lot of interaction which happens off the board and on the board. Probably you would interact with a lot of students, and our students will be mentoring you, and the students will also give you a perspective of what should be thought ahead. And it's going beyond the case study. That's what I would really look at it. So take it up in a very positive note. And then I wish each and every participant over here great success.
Hi everyone. So welcome to this event. And this is the third year. And I'm proud of each and every one of you to Yahan Pahunchuga. Alright, it's really tough to reach this level, but you are doing it's amazing, because there are many students who are not doing these things, okay, and they think they can do your MBA and everything. But this is a really important event for your life, for your I would say profile. We learn a lot of things, and today also I will learn a lot of things, because in this event we get to know a lot of figures, a lot of facts from the students. I just want to share 2 tips to all of you. If you get nervous, just take a deep breath. And the second thing is, which is very important, as everyone is working on the same thing, all right? So make sure whenever you are sharing a fact which is done by someone else in the previous slide, or you think it's a very common thing, everyone will put this in their PPTs or something, please make sure share it in a very unique manner, so that we thought it's a new thing, all right? Don't just read the PPTs, all right? So that's it. Thank you very much, and best of luck.
Good evening, respected jury. I, Devansh Gupta, wish you a very warm evening today, and I'm honored to present before you a case of Neon EV and its entry into the Indian market.
The objective of this case is to introduce a new entrant to the current Indian market leveraging the fragmented market by introducing a trustworthy brand.
So E2W, which is the abbreviated form of electronic two-wheeler, has seen a considerable surge in the market over the number of years, with Hero Electric capturing the major percentage of market, followed by Okinawa.
So our main mission is to accelerate the adoption of the electric vehicles in India by providing the best vehicles in the two-wheeler EV industry, and the vision for it is going to be one of the top leaders in the two-wheeler EV segment in the upcoming years.
So to explain the pillars of the golden circle in the business, I have basically used the STP framework.
In order to target our customer in a better way, we need to break down our customer into smaller groups. So that's where the segmentation, targeting and positioning comes into picture.
This flowchart represents the step of the recruitment process that we'll be following, starting with the staffing plans, developing job analysis, writing job description and specifications, development and implementation of recruitment plan, accepting applications and then screening them.
That since we have two range of products available in the market, low range and high range, we can make use of collaborations with e-commerce and delivery people who need economic transportation system.
And in the first 3 years, we are at the end of third year, we are hoping to capture a 5% market share. The assumptions are made in comparison. The revenue, the cost of goods sold and the other expenses are based on the percentages Tesla and Hero MotoCorp have done through the years.
To talk about the SWOT and PESTEL analysis, obviously the strengths are basically clean emission, like clean energy, low emission of greenhouse gases, consumption of probably non-renewable energy sources, and there's that technology boost that's always encouraged by Government of India.
Congratulations, Prachi, second runner-up.
Thank you, sir.
The first runner-up is Devansh.
Thank you so much.
Winner of this SMHRD Zeal 3.0 is Ruby. Congratulations, Ruby.
Thank you.
On behalf of admissions and PR team, I would like to thank our 3 jury members who took time out of their busy schedules. Thank you, sir.
Admissions and PR team signing off.